Hello everyone, how are you doing? Today we are going to see expressing gratitude. Okay, let me start. Thank you, galatomi for singular, galatoma for plural and elderly person. Thank you very much. By a galatomi for singular, by a galatomi. Baye galatoma, plural and elderly person. I don't know how to thank you. Akamiti galata, I can sivgachu hinbeku. Akamiti galata, I can sivgachu hinbeku. For singular, it is for singular. Akamiti galata, akan isinif galchu hinbeku. Akamiti galata akan isinif galchu hinbeku. Plural and elderly person. I'm very grateful to you. Bain sigalate fata. Bain sigalate fata. Singular. Bain isin galate fata. Baye is in galate fata for plural and for elderly person. That is awfully. Ulfatu, ulfatu for singular. Ulfata for plural and elderly person. Now let us move on to the next one. Okay. I am grateful for your help. Gargarsakif galatomi. Gargarsakif galatomi for singular. Gargarsa kesanif galatoma. Gargarsa kesanif galatoma for plural and for elderly person. Thank you, it is thoughtful of you. Yadagarikif sin galate fata. Yadagarikif sin galate fata. Thank you with pleasure. Nati tolera galatomi. Nati tolera galatomi. Thank you from the depths of my heart. Thank you from the depths of my heart. Oneran sigalate fata. Oneran sigalate fata for singular. Oneran is in galate fata. Oneran is in galate fata for plural and for elderly. That is very kind of you. Galaniko janga hinkabu. Galaniko janga hinkabu. How kind of you. Akamitan si galate fata. Akamitan sigalate fata. Now moving on to the last topic, which is responding to thankfulness. Okay? You're welcome. Homa miti. Homa miti. It doesn't matter. Rakina hinkabu. Rakina hinkabu. My pleasure. Nati tola. Nati tola. Glad that I could help you. Sitina ta'unko nagamachisa. Sitina ta'unko nagamachisa. That is what I have today. Thank you for watching this video.